Meaning of GQ.
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 GQ. GQ is a men's fashion and lifestyle magazine that features articles on style, grooming, entertainment, and culture. The magazine is known for its high-end fashion editorials and in-depth profiles of celebrities, athletes, and cultural icons. GQ has a reputation for being a trendsetter in the fashion world and is often cited as a source of inspiration for men's style. The magazine has a global presence and is published in numerous languages. In short, GQ is a must-read publication for any man looking to stay up to date on the latest trends in fashion and culture.